What's up everyone, Donaldson's Woodworking here with another woodworking video. I know you guys are probably wondering, hey, what's that stuff behind me? It's the 13-inch thickness planer. Ridgid. So in today's video, I'm going to be milling down a bunch of wood and I'm going to be making tops. And finally I've been doing it, weather's been really nice today, and I'm going to get going on it. Got the red beard to go with it. When using a planer, a loud tool, always make sure you have ear protection. We're turning all of this into
what the hell is he doing now? Catch up!
Come again.
what is it?
Uh-oh.